Everybody, we're going to dedicate this one to Jack and Mitch from the Fireys here tonight. And I'm sure you're going to love this one, guys, because it's called I Love It When It Rains. And everybody, let's all hope it just keeps raining and raining and raining.
Have a listen, everybody. Can you hear that? It sounds like rain falling on the roof. Let's sing it together, everybody. I love it when it rains and I lie in bed at night. I listen to it patter on the roof, soft and light. But then a storm may come and the thunder starts to crash. The rain beats on the window and I see the lightning flash. I hold old Teddy tight and I sink down in my bed. I close my eyes so tight and pull the covers over my head. I feel so snug and warm, I know that everything's alright. I love it when it rains as I lie in bed at night. Very balletic. Thank you, Callum. Umbrella dance. I love it when it rains as I lie in bed at night. Let's hear it for the rain, everybody! Yeah. And our friends, the Fireys.
Yeah, everybody, one more. For every fiery and every service person out there helping us, helping the animals, helping the people, helping the communities, the Australian Red Cross and Wires. Let's hear it for them, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Mitch.
And for all of you coming out to support everyone, well done. Thanks so much, everyone.